Here is a problem from binomial theorem. We have to find out coefficient of x power 7 in the expression. What is the expression given to us is 1 plus x whole power 10, 1 plus x whole power 10 plus x into 1 plus x whole power 9 plus x square into 1 plus x whole power 8, then continuously up to x power 10. So here we have to find out coefficient of x power 7, coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion. Now what I do, I'll find coefficient of x power 7 from this. Now if you want to find out coefficient of x power 7 from this, because of x is multiplied with each and every term of this 1 plus x whole power 9, so if you take coefficient of x power 6, that will become coefficient of x power 7 after multiplication with x. Here what we want is, in this expansion we want coefficient of x power 6. Similarly, in this expansion, if you take coefficient of x to the power of 5, that will be multiplied with x squared to become x power 7. So here coefficient of x power 7 in these expansions are, what I can do is, from this 10c7, right? How I wrote this, I'll tell you. In the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n, the coefficient of x power r is, coefficient of x power r is NCR. This is the formula we have. Index is n, and if you want coefficient of x power r, simply NCR. So here you want coefficient of x power 7 from 1 plus x whole power 10, so 10c7 plus, here we want coefficient of x power 6 inside this 1 plus x whole power 9, so that is 9c6. Similarly, coefficient of x power 5 from this, so 8c5. Now you observe this 7, 6, 5, 10, 9, 8. So 1 is decreasing every time. So the next one you can expect simply, this is 7c4 and then 6c3, then 5c2, then you will have 4c1, then at the end you will have 3c0. Up to this only you will have x power 7, because of after that you can see this x power 10, there is no x power 7. Before that we will have x power 9, there is no x power 7, right? So these are the terms you are going to get. Now if you calculate this 10c7, how much you are going to get? 10c7 is 10c3, actually 10c7 is 10c3. Why? Because of ncr is equals to ncn minus r. If you take the help of this 10c7 will be equals to 10c3, and you can calculate this 10c3 as 10 into 9 into 8 by 6. So 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, and 2, 2 for the 8. I'll take 3 for the 12, 120 you get, right? And if you calculate 9c6, 9 into 8 into 7 by 6, so 3 to the 6, 3 to the 9, 2, 2 for the 8, and for the 12 to the 84. This is 84 plus 8c5 is same as 8c3. If you calculate 8c3, 8 into 7 into 6 by 6, so 56. Then after that 7c4, if you calculate 7c3, 7 into 6 into 5 by 6, so you'll get 35. Then 6c3, if you calculate, you will get 20, 5c2 you will get 10, and 4c1 you get 4, and 3c0 you get 1. So if you add all these numbers, so once you check this, the addition of all these numbers is going to be 330, right? So simply I calculate using the simple method coefficient of, what is the main formula used in this is, the coefficient of x to the power of r in the expansion of 1 plus x whole to the power of n is NCR. Okay, so this is the first thing you should know. And the second one is what? See, I'll tell you the second term. I'll explain one more time the second term. X into 1 plus x whole power 9 you have, right? In this you want x to the power of 7 coefficient. But if each and every term is multiplied with x, the power of x is going to increase by 1. So in this total expansion, if you want x to the power of 7, indirectly we want coefficient of x power 6 from this. Because of coefficient of x power 6 only will become coefficient of x power 7 in this expansion after multiplication with x. So that we used here coefficient of x to the power of 6 from this. Because of here we have x square, we have to take coefficient of x power 5 from this, and coefficient of x power 5 from 1 plus x whole power 8 is what? 8c5, that we have here 8c5, right? So the same problem we can solve in a different way. Okay, now let me explain that method also. So what we have in the question is, we have to find out coefficient of x to the power of 7 in the expansion of, what is the expansion we have? 1 plus x whole to the power of 10 plus x into 1 plus x whole to the power of 9 plus x square into 1 plus x whole to the power of 8 plus up to so on, what you have? X to the power of 10. So in this expansion you want x to the power of 7. Can you see here? 1 plus x whole to the power of 10, then we have 1 plus x whole power 9, then we have 1 plus x whole power 8, up to so on. Means we are dividing with 1 plus x every time. If you divide 1 plus x whole power 10 with 1 plus x, you will get 1 plus x whole power 9. Again you divide with 1 plus x whole power 1 plus x, then you will get 1 plus x whole power 8. Indirectly dividing with 1 plus x means multiplying with 1 by 1 plus x. And one more thing, you can see that you multiply with x, you will get this, multiply with x, you get x square. So you are multiplying with x by 1 plus x. So when a series of terms obtained by multiplication of a fixed number, that is called a geometric progression. So the given expression, the terms of the given expression, given series or given sequence, they are in what? Geometric progression. So the given sum is in geometric progression. Here you can say that 1 plus x whole power 10, x into 1 plus x whole power 9, comma x square into 1 plus x 1 plus x whole power 8. These terms are in GP. These terms are in GP with a common ratio x by 1 plus x. And you know how to find out sum of n terms of a geometric progression. Sn formula, you have a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay. So here we have Sn is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 by r minus 1 we have. So how many terms we are adding here? You know, if you count from here, x to the power of 1 first term, x to the power of 2 second term, x to the power of 10 terms, but together with that the first term. So total we have sum of 11 terms. So first I will simplify this, then I will find coefficient of x to the power of 7. So sum of how many terms? We have 11 terms. So here n is equals to 11 and a is the first term. First term is 1 plus x whole to the power of 10 into what is that, r power n. Now r is x by 1 plus x here. This is x by 1 plus x to the power of n is x by 1 plus x to the power of n is 11 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So x by 1 plus x minus 1. So if you take 1 plus x LCM here, you get 1 plus x whole to the power of this 1 plus x will go to numerator. It will become now 1 plus x whole power 11 because of you have 1 plus x whole power 10 already. Now separating the power, x to the power of 11 by 1 plus x whole to the power of 11 minus 1 divided by what you get after taking LCM, you get x minus 1 minus x. So this is equals to 1 plus x whole to the power of 11. If I take inside 1 plus x whole to the power of 11, this 1 plus x whole power 11 will be cancelled. You will get x to the power of 11 first. You will get x to the power of 11 minus, multiply this 1 plus x whole power 11 into 1. So that is minus 1 plus x whole power 11 divided by minus x plus x, cancel, you get minus 1. So if you take minus common, the simplification is the simplified form of 1 plus, the given expression is 1 plus x whole power 11 minus what? X to the power of 11. Now in this we want coefficient of x to the power of 7. Now here see the coefficient of x to the power of 7 required is equals to what? Coefficient of x power of 7 from this, what is that? Coefficient of x power from 1 plus x whole power 11 is 11c7 and there is no x power 7 later. So 11c7 is same as 11c4 using the formula ncr is equals to nc n minus r, right? So now 11c4 is what? You can calculate the value 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 24. So 8 3 is a 24 and 3 3 is a 9. Now you can see that 10 into 3 is 30 into 11 is 330, so which is same as the previous one. So you can do this using the geometric progression method or you can use direct method, right?